Assalamu alaikum. Bird, Pablo Neruda. It was passed from one bird to another, the whole gift of the day. The day went from flute to flute, when dressed in vegetation, in flights which opened a tunnel through the wind would pass, to where birds were breaking open the dense blue air, and there night came in. When I returned from so many journeys, I stayed suspended and green. Between sun and geography, I saw how wings worked, how perfumes were transmitted by feathery telegraph, and from above I saw the path, the springs and the roof tiles, and fishermen at their trades, the trousers of the foam. I saw it all from my green sky. I had no more alphabet than the swallows in their courses, the tiny shining water of the small bird on fire, which dances out of the pollen. Thank you.